What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing this video of Piggy and show you guys all of my stuff on Piggy. So let's start this video right now and let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? So we got Piggy. Then right now, I'll play Jailbreak too. So okay, you guys see that we're joining in right now. Okay, Piggy's right there. Okay, we gotta go. Okay, guys, we going over here right now because we looking for a key or something like that. So we do not see any of those keys that she needs. Check that room. Okay, we're just standing here, bro. Okay, we ain't gotta go somewhere like literally, bro. We got a yellow key. I think this for the downstairs. So we got the yellow key, something like that. Okay, I got the key. So we just found that key. Where's that door? Where's that door? Okay, we looking through here for like a little door or something. Where's this door, bro? We looking for a door. You do not see the door, bro. Move out the way. We got some dumb players. Okay, we just had that key. Okay, we got this. Okay, where did we go to? Make it right there. Okay, guys, we gotta wait. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to get away from Picky.
You recording?
Hmm.
You gonna read the thing?
No. Okay, guys, how do you guys say? No. Okay, that's it, guys. That is it. Okay, now it's time to go play some Jailbreak. Okay, we have to learn more stuff. Alright, but right now, we're gonna get on money so much. However, because I had a Bugatti, so I got hacked. So, yeah. We're pretty good, guys. Doesn't look like that.
What?
Okay, guys, let's get okay. You were so close. How are we gonna get? Oh yeah, I'm able to get in and get out. Okay, we're getting out. Sorry for the background in the back, guys. I just need this, man. Okay. Okay, we usually have the bank robber. The costume. We gotta hurry up and grab those criminals and those cops. Those are some freaking bad cops. Go bank. What, usually like a shotgun or something? If you're like in a battle or something and you like playing a battle game, you should use a shotgun because shotgun is better than what you think it's gonna be. So this is how you get your money up to like 40 or something like that. And get your money higher and stuff. So this is how you get away from cops and how you rob stuff and some type of things like that. Okay, you gotta grab like a picture or something to get your stuff up that high. And then you come over here, you grab that. Let's get that and boom. So right now we about to do this. But this thing is we are waiting on him right quick.
Why hasn't nobody got up and did what I told them to do?
I did.